Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create outline text in Affinity. So let's say you want to create a text with outline and you want to change the color of the outline of the text and so forth, right? Let me show you the basics of how to get this done. So while you're inside your design, all you have to do is look for the text icon here on the left side. You will find it says artistic text tool. You click on it and there are two options. You have the normal text and you have the artistic text. Ensure that you're on the artistic text, the first option, and you go ahead and just click anywhere here. Now once you click there, it will allow you to start typing. So I'm going to sample type in Drew, right? Or I can even make it a bit more like this, Drew, right? Once you do that, you can now go ahead and click the select tool so that you can move it. So you can move it to wherever you want. And let's say this is what I want to write. I can change the font as well. So let's go ahead and find something else. I'm going to use this, for example. Now, what you want to do now on the right hand side, you will find a section that's going to open up and allow you to basically be able to make some changes to your text. Now you have the color, you have the swatches, you have the stroke. Click on stroke, and from here you will see what you have. So you can go ahead and you can make changes to it to ensure that you select. By default, it's going to have a style of maybe this no line. So you can go ahead and click on this option here, and this is line, and you can make the size how much you want, right? So as you can see here, you can move it to make it to how much you want. So I'm going to just make it like this. If I bring it all the way, you're going to see that it brings it up. Now the reason why I have a color right there is because I already set some color. Now, as you can see, you want to bring it to where it shows. In your case, you may have a different color, so you want to go here. So maybe in your case, you'll have something like the black. And so when you go to stroke and you try to, basically change it, you will only see something like this, right? Maybe the only thing that's going to happen is that the width of the text just get larger, but you're not seeing the color. And so all you have to do is just ensure that you click for the stroke to select this option and just kind of make it as thick as you want. Then, of course, you want to ensure click on the appearance section, and where it says stroke, click on the color and just choose a color that you want. So if I want to use this color, I can go ahead and just find a color that I want to use, right? So I can play around with it and make it whatever I want. So let's say that's what I want. Then I can go back to stroke and basically I can adjust it the way I want, right? So, and that's it. So this is how you can easily, guys, make or create an outline text within Affinity. Hope you find this useful, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and thank you guys for watching.